इसलिए हमने डिसाइड करा है कि हम लोग exactly the reaction that we were expecting. So I think everybody who's interested, only one chance. We're doing it only once. We're not going to do it again. After this, my request to you is immediately after this, please start proceeding towards the exit gate. We have overshot our time. Please आप इसके बाद सीधा exit gate, but please start कर जाइए. So there you go.
1, 2, 3. एक बार
भाई माइक निकालो भाई.
Don't do it on the mic.
Don't do it